Now this is not the end of your tour. The next stop is the St. Nicholas Abbey Great House. Now it's not just the house. We have the museum, we have the distillery, and my favorite part, the rum tasting. So I hope you all can enjoy that for me.
Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, please click the subscribe and bell buttons to be notified when new videos are uploaded, and like, comment, and also share the videos with your friends and family.
All aboard!
We are now on our way back, and our final stop would be at the St. Nicholas Abbey Great House, where we will be able to conduct a guided tour through this mansion. However, before we reach St. Nicholas Abbey Great House, I will just give a brief history. St. Nicholas Abbey was built by Colonel Benjamin Beringer, a wealthy planter from an influential aristocratic family and member of the Barbados Council. John Yeamans was his neighbor, his friend, and business partner in real estate speculation. John Yeamans had developed a strong affection for Beringer's wife Margaret, and this caused the two business partners to be at each other's throats. Sometime in January 1661, Beringer and his wife had an argument which forced him to leave the plantation and head for Spicetown on the west coast of the island. It is stated that Yeamans arranged for a third party to poison his business partner and romantic rival during this visit. Yeamans then married Mrs. Beringer about 2.5 months later and laid claim to the abbey, but a court ruling later returned the property to Beringer's children. Meanwhile, John Yeamans and Margaret left Barbados in 1669 and moved to British America with several slaves thought to be the first slaves introduced to Carolina, where they helped found a colony that is now South Carolina, the USA. This undertaking had contributed to the early development of America, and in 1672, John, who was knighted by Charles II, became the governor of that colony. From 2006, the abbey was owned by local Barbadian architect Larry Warren, who built the St. Nicholas Abbey Heritage Railway on the estate. A guided tour of the Great House highlights a storehouse of tradition, including antiques and artifacts, covering the home's 350-year history. Visitors may also explore the surrounding gardens, orchards, galleys, and Rum Distillery, where St. Nicholas Abbey rum is produced. By the way, Barbados has been credited with inventing rum in the 17th century when plantation workers were experimenting with fermenting molasses, which is a byproduct of sugar production, into alcohol.
This is your last stop. If you're wondering about the lake, it contains 2.5 million gallons of fresh water. It is home to tilapia, terrapin snapping turtles, mystic sharks, koi fish, and we also have mallard ducks. Thank you all very much for riding with us today. I hope you enjoyed the tour and that you enjoyed the rest of your weekend. You're welcome.
Let's go.
You ready? And if you're wondering about the horse, he has a name. He's called Snurge. Snurge was a railroad, of course, owned by Sir Martin Arbeen. Apparently, he won almost every race he was entered in. So Sir Martin had a statue in the horse. He used to grace the lawns of his West Coast villa. When he sold the house, he had nowhere to put the Snurge. So that's how we ended up with this lovely statue of the horse. All right, enjoy the house tour. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.